Happens if a husband hides his real income to avoid paying maintenance? Does the wife lose her right or does the court find the truth? Today we will explain legal consequences of hiding income, how courts calculate maintenance, latest judicial approach used across India. This is essential knowledge for every married person. Hello everyone, today's topic is maintenance and hidden income. In many cases, husbands say I am unemployed, my income is very low, my business is running at a loss. But the court does not rely only on statement. The law says maintenance is based on real earning capacity, not fake declarations. Let's understand step by step. Maintenance can be claimed under Section 125 of Criminal Procedure Code, applies to all religion. Section 24 and 25 of Hindu Marriage Act, special provision for Muslim women. Core legal principle: a spouse who cannot maintain themselves is entitled to financial support. Most important rule: maintenance depends on the husband's actual financial capacity. Real cases shows this method, showing reduced salary, claiming unemployment, hidden cash income, transferring property to relatives, submitting false bank statements, concealing business profit. But courts have strong powers to detect this. Income imputations principle: if income is hidden, the court can estimate income based on evidence. Courts examine educational qualifications, professional and work history, previous income records, lifestyle and spending pattern, assets and investments. Example: if a husband earlier earned 1 lakh per month but now claims 10,000, the court can still calculate maintenance based on 1 lakh. This approach has been consistently upheld by the Supreme Court of India. Courts may require income tax returns, bank statements, salary slip, GST records, property details, investment records. If the husband refuses, court draws adverse inference. Wife's claim becomes stronger. Lifestyle evidence matters. Courts also consider real life expenses, house rent or property ownership, car loans and EMIs, children's school fee, credit card spending, travel and luxury expenses. Legal consequences of hiding income: if the court finds income concealment, court may fix higher maintenance, false evidence damages credibility, arrears of maintenance can be ordered, asset may be attached, non-payment can lead to legal enforcement. Important principle: the law protects the right to maintenance, not financial manipulation. How maintenance amount is decided? Courts consider husband's real earning capacity, wife's need and standard of living, duration of marriage, children's expenses, health and age of parties. There is no fixed formula, each case is decided individually. Maintenance may include interim maintenance during case, final maintenance after judgment, arrear for previous period. Many people think if I show zero income, I will pay nothing, but courts follow a different rule. A capable person cannot avoid responsibility by hiding income or refusing to work. Ability to earn, responsibility to support. What a wife can do legally: if income is hidden, wife can file maintenance petition, request financial disclosure, provide lifestyle evidence, seek interim maintenance, request attachment of property. Courts actively ensure fair financial support. Hiding income does not eliminate maintenance liability. Courts focus on truth, not claims. If a husband tries to manipulate finances, the law allows courts to